guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn money to your bank account directly. At least you can make up to $10 on this site daily. That is if you're going to be consistent, because there's a lot of money on this site. All you need to do is very simple. So guys, before we continue, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, so whenever we upload money making contents like this, you are going to be notified on that. So guys, the name of the site which I'm going to be showing you today is called picoworkers.com. as you can see, as the name implies, picoworkers.com. So guys, make sure you follow this video step by step till the end, so you don't miss out on any step on how you can use this site. And don't just say okay, you know the name so you can do it all by yourself. No, when you do it, if you do it all by yourself and you don't know how it works, you are going to be hooked up. So guys, all you need to do as a first time user, you click on sign up. And when you click on sign up, as you can see, I already have an account on this, but for the new users, if you are new to this site, all you need to do is you're going to be making a fresh account. Now, all you need to do, you're going to be inputting your real name. You're going to be inputting your name, your email address, your password. Confirm your password. Then if you have a nickname, you can input your nickname. Then select your country. If you are from the US, as you can see over here, there are lots of countries here, as you can see. So if you are from any country, all countries are available: Afghanistan, Ireland, as you can see, Angola, Argentina, Armenia, Oba, Asia, Australia. As you can see, there are a lot of countries over here: Bermuda, Bolivia. And if you are from Nigeria also, you can see there are lots and lots of countries which can use this. As you can see, the United States, United Kingdom, Ukraine, Uganda, and so on and so forth. So guys, when you've selected your country, what you need to do, you're going to be clicking on a worker. But if you want to employ, maybe you have some things you want to do, for example promoting your site and the rest of that, you can apply as an employer. As you can see over here, click on employer. But if you want to use the site to make money, if you want to be earning from this site, click on a worker. So all you need to do next is to click on this I agree to Pico Workers terms and services and policies. Then you click on send me news. That is if you want news from them, and you go ahead and click on sign up. Then after your sign up, you're going to be logging in into your account. Now when you log into your account, all you need to do, as you can see, there are no balance left due to I've withdrawn some money. So when you earn on this site, you're going to be seeing your earnings here, which says end. You're going to be seeing your earnings here. Then if your earnings are pending, you're going to be seeing it here also. So guys, all you need to do, when you scroll up, you're going to be seeing there are up to 915 jobs in which you can do to earn on this site. So guys, as you can see over here, doing this you earn 0.03 cents. Doing this you earn 0.2 cents. This also you earn 0.03. This also you earn 0.03. As you can see, there are lots and lots of jobs you can do. As you can see over here, this you earn $1 that is offered. Download a PDF and so on. So guys, there are lots and lots of jobs in which are waiting for you over here, up to close to 1,000 jobs which you can do to earn on this site. As you can see, there are lots and lots of them. So guys, all you need to do to start working, all you need to do to start earning on this, as you can see, this is up to $1.3, $1.03, and the rest of them. So guys, to do this, all you need to do on this site, you just have to pick a job in which you can do. For example, picking this for 0.205 cents. All you need to do, you just have to, and you can see the job over here, you can see up to 282 people have done this out of 350 people in which the employer needs. So 228 people have done it already. All you need to do is just to click on it, and when you click on this, as you can see here, this is the job in which you are going to be doing. This is the type of job: working app, download and sign up. This is just a quick job. So all you need to do, as you can see, up to 290 have done it. The time for this job in which the employer fixed is just 7 days. So after 7 days, this offer is going to be ending. As you can see, the employer of this work is up to 1 year. Remember that I have used this platform for up to a year. So you see, the employer is a legit employer. So if you want to do this, all you need to do is to click on hold this job and hold the job. So this is what is expected from workers. Go to this site. So all you need to do, when you copy this link, as you can see, this link, go to https blah blah blah. You're going to be copying this link. When you copy the link, you click, you input it on your browser, any browser you are using. Then as you can see, this is the procedures. When you go to this site, then you click the link in the description, which is this. Now, after that is done, click on accept invite, which is this. Click on accept invite, then install the app and sign up with your Google account. So after that, the step 4 is verify your account by giving the app permission to start counting your step and earn money for working. So this is the an important information the employer wants to pass. It says, important, you must be a new user. You will not get paid if you installed the app, if you have installed the app before, even if you create a new account. Any spam or duplicated tags will be reported as spam account. So guys, all you must be a new user. If you've not downloaded the app before, you must be a new user to use that app for this tax. So required proof, to send your proof that you have done this work, all you need to do, proof 1 is your Sweetcoin account username. You're going to be putting your username, then screenshot the confirmation email you will receive from Sweetcoin. So when Sweetcoin send you a confirmation email, you're going to be screenshotting it. Now, how to submit your proof? As you can see, your Sweetcoin account username, you input it over here. Then the screenshot in which you have screenshotted, you come over here and pick the file and pick the image in which you screenshot. And you can also write a good comment here. Then you go ahead and click on submit proof. And when you submit your proof, it's going to be showing over here pending. So when it shows pending, when your work has been approved by the employer, then your 0.205 cents is going to be showing here as the money in which you have earned for this job well done. So guys, when you've earned some decent amount of money on this, as you can see, not only this, when you've done this work, there are other varieties of job in which you can do over here lift those stress and earn your money directly to your bank account. So to withdraw your earnings on the site, all you need to do is go to your wallet, which is over here. Sorry. When you click on the three lines in the top right corner, then you go to wallet, which is over here. And when you click on the wallet, it's going to be showing you this. As you can see, withdrawals. Withdrawals are proceeded within 10 business days of placing a request. So that you have to do is request withdrawal, then your earnings will be sent to your account. As you can see, these are some things. As you can see, these are your information. You can input your picture. Then whenever you place a withdrawal, your withdrawal is going to be sent directly to your account. And when you want to request the withdrawal, you're going to be seeing options that will be telling you to select your method of payment. You can select as maybe direct bank account, or you can withdraw it in cryptocurrency. So guys, if you want to be an employer, for example, you want to promote your YouTube channel, you want to promote your website or anything, you can just put up some tags. Like when you click these three lines, you see this switch, which is over here. As it says here, switch to employer. You also have to click on this button, which is over here, and it's going to be switching you to an employer. So guys, all you need to do as an employer, you just have to create jobs. You create jobs in which I'm going to do. As you can see here, it says post a job. When you click on post a job, you're going to be creating some job in which people can do. By choose your targeting zone, where you want people from to do it. As you can see, you can just click on international, then select the countries you want to exclude. But I don't think there's any point excluding any country. Then add the rest of them. Guys, this you can just do this, then you post out some job, then fund your accounts. You have to fund. As you can see, you have 0 here. All you need to do is to just click on deposit funds. And when you click on deposit funds, as you can see, you can make payments with credit card or debit card. As you can see, this is the amount in which you can deposit. You can deposit from $10 to $1,000. You can deposit using your PayPal account. You can deposit using Skrill, and you can deposit with cryptocurrencies. So guys, this is how you can just use this site to earn money and also to employ workers to do your jobs for you. As easy as that. So guys, if you can do some jobs, you can do up to 900 jobs, you can do any amount of job, you can earn up to $10 and above from this site every day, just doing some simple tasks and getting employers pay you. So guys, if you know you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you are going to be notified. Also, you can drop nice comments in the comment section below. So also join our social media platform. You can join our Telegram group, and join our WhatsApp and a message on WhatsApp. I'm going to be dropping all of that in the description box below. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video.